Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. NASA calculated near Earth asteroid Eros contained 20 billion tons of gold. There is an annual lying competition in England and competitors from around the world have 5 minutes to tell the biggest and most convincing lie they can. Cats that don't bury their poop are telling you they are in charge. If you have a toothache, rub some ice between your thumb and forefinger. Prostitution is legal and regulated in 22 countries. The engine on the BMW M5 is so quiet that the company plays fake engine noises through the speakers to remind drivers of their car's performance. In 75% of American households, the women manage the money and pay the bills. Singing when tensed helps you avoid anxiety and depression. This is extreme close version of human eye in HD, which is 576 megapixels. Medical marijuana helps cancer cells freeze, preventing them from spreading. When a person dies, the first sense lost is sight and the last is hearing. In Japan, there is a theme park named as Kidzania where kids can experience adult life, working, banking, etc. Dieting could force your brain to eat itself. The moon always shows us the same side. WhatsApp has a staff of only 50 engineers, which means that each engineer handles around 18 million active users. The Batan tribe in a remote part of Sulawesi, Indonesia have a rare genetic defect that gives many electric blue eyes. Elephants can run up to 40 km/h. Most badass animal, honey badger, eats porcupine and poisonous snakes, beehives for honey, kidnap baby cheetahs, and steal food from hungry lions. There are more than 70 million sheep in New Zealand. Dogs use their tongues to cool their body down. Lemons contain more sugar than strawberries. Giraffes rub their eyes with their over 50 cm long tongue. Lions can eat 40 kg of food in only one meal and eat nothing over the following days. There are 118 elements in the periodic table, but can you believe that iPhone has 75 elements? December is the least common birth. Soccer is the most followed sport. You naturally hold your breath when you casually stretch. The word mortgage comes from a French word that means debt contract. January is named after the Roman god Janus. The universe has the same temperature everywhere. Minutes spent petting a cat or dog can lower your stress level. Most millionaires are born in June. Around 20 to 30% of the world's population has cheek dimples. Most criminals are born in November. Donald Duck's middle name is Fauntleroy. Rubber bands last longer when refrigerated. Wikipedia has an asteroid named after it. In Norwegian, Siri means beautiful woman who leads you to victory. There are 293 ways to make change for $1. In 1783, a boy was born with 2 heads. People with blue eyes drink and tolerate alcohol the most. There is a law in Paris which says that buildings cannot be more than 6 stories so that everyone can get sunlight. You can get a brain infection from squeezing pimples in this area of face. Thanks for watching.